choose. Let it move you. Let it move. Let it move you. Yeah, I choose. Let it move you. Let it move.
What up, YouTube? How's it going? So I have something that I got in the mail today that's really exciting, and I kind of hinted at it in a previous video, but I'm gonna show you it right now. So hold on, drum roll please. I got a drone! Drone, 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 drone. Yeah! Isn't it cool? I got the DJI, the Mavic 2 Pro. You can see it right here. And it's really neat. And to be completely honest with you guys, I unboxed it already. So if you want an unboxing video, you can look elsewhere because honestly, you saw in my last video, I was just like dropping things like crazy and I did not want to take the chance with this. Dun da da da! Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you what's inside. I got this bundle on Amazon and it came with extras and some like other stuff like a case and an extra battery. And so my husband and I thought it was worth it. I got an extra SD card and stuff, but I really like it and I think it was a good deal for the money. I hope at least. This is what the inside looks like. I'm just going to open this little zipper thing here. And this came with this 64 gig micro SD. And then we purchased this 200 gig one. So I think this is going to help a lot in the drone because I'm hoping for HD video. Honestly, I probably could have gotten a bigger one, but I think this is going to be a good starter for me because I don't need like tons and tons of footage, you know? It came with 2 of these. I have the extra set of propellers in one. And I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with this one yet, so for now it's going to sit there. This is 2 little chargers that goes in the drone, and it works like if you have a phone that's not an iPhone, but honestly the iPhone cord is already plugged into the drone. It was like pre in there. This is my extra set of propellers. It comes with an extra set of the little I forgot what it's called. The little things that you twist in. I'll show you in a minute. And it came with this little thing, and I'm not 100% sure what this is or what it does. But I'm sure it's great, whatever it does. Cords, you know? Yeah. So, now here we are. So first, I'll show you the actual drone. And it made me a little bit nervous getting this in and out because it has the propellers on. But here it is. Isn't this cool? It freaks me out a little bit because have you guys watched Black Mirror? There's one episode in Black Mirror where there's these like drone robot things that are like chasing down these people, and it almost seems like they're some of the last people alive. And if you know, you know. This kind of looks like that, and it was a little bit creepy. So I might be mishandling this, so I hope not. This pulls down this way. This pulls... Oh, I did it wrong. Stand by. Okay, so this pulls straight out like this. Sorry, you didn't see that. It pulls straight out like this. This pulls down and comes out, and there's that side of it. And then the same on the other side. So this pulls out and goes straight, and then this comes down. So here it is. This is like the coolest thing ever. I still have the stickers and stuff on it. The battery is here on the top. I'm like terrified I'm gonna drop this thing. I hope my husband doesn't watch this. Here's the battery. Look at how thick that sucker is. It's pretty big. So I'm gonna just pop this back in. It's clearly in. And I believe this little gimbal covering things, I think that's how you pronounce it, comes off. So I'm gonna hold off to do that. But yeah, here is your drone. And again, it looks like those creepy things. You know what I'm talking about. And then these, I put the propellers on. It didn't have the propellers whenever I first opened it up. So these open like this. I'm just gonna close them back for now. And that's it. It's pretty, I mean, I've never held a drone before. This is my first one. From what I understand, it's definitely heavier than the Air, the Mav Air, but it is lighter than the Phantom series, I believe it's called. So it was between this one, this is the Mav 2, and the Phantom. I decided on the Mav 2 because it's a little more portable. It's going to be easier to carry around. And honestly, I probably just don't need a Phantom right now. I'm not that experienced, and I don't claim to be that experienced, but yeah. So basically, I got this A, for fun, but B, also for like church and stuff, and Easter is in like a week and a half at this point, so I'm hoping to get it up in the air almost every day before then so I can be a little more practiced. I have a vision on like getting some stuff. On Easter, our church always goes out to the park, and I'm hoping to get some cool drone footage while we're out there. And then I'm hoping, we also have a big Easter egg hunt, and there's like tons of little kids that come, so I'm really hoping that I can get some cool drone footage of that. And if not, my friend's dad, I believe, is bringing his, so like worst case, we'll have his footage, but I'm kind of hoping I'll have both. Here it is, the Mav 2. In all its glory. It's really cool. So I'm just gonna pop these back in. I'm still learning which goes what. I believe it's this one first. And like, I feel like I have to be really careful with the propellers because they feel like they could be flimsy. It did come with another set of 2 in case these get broken, but like I'm trying to just be extra careful, if you catch my drift, with them. And it almost like felt like a little bit weird putting it back like in the case for the first time because it fits pretty snugly, but from what I understand, people leave their propellers on all the time, and I don't think they're too expensive to change out, but it does fit in here pretty well. I have it in backwards, so yeah, it just fits in this nice little case. I did get the package that comes with an extra battery, so here's the extra battery. I probably need to pop this into charge here in a minute. It's evening time, so I'm not going to go out and play with it tonight because it's dark already. But I'm hoping to kind of like, if there needs to be an update or anything like that, I'm hoping to do that tonight without it having to like hover or something. Probably shouldn't do that in the house. It's probably not good safety. But it comes with this charger, other half of the charger, and then there's a couple of filters in here. I was kind of reading up on the filters today, so those look pretty cool. And then you have your super cool remote. If you've played any video games, this is going to be really cool to you. So what you do is you pull these down and your phone sticks right in here. I have a case on my phone. Hold on. I'm going to show you. Where's my phone? Stand by. Oh, so I've got this Casetify case on my phone. Casetify case on my phone, and it won't fit in here. So basically, there is a cord that is plugged in here on the side, and then it comes around here, and this is your iPhone cord. That plugs into the bottom of your phone to kind of connect it like this, and then it just fits inside of the handle bars, I guess is what you call them. But I did notice it won't fit with the case on my phone, so just be careful, I guess, whenever you're taking your phone case off and on. You don't want to break anything. I hope Marshall doesn't see it after our last incident. You know what I'm talking about. So those come out, and then right in here you can see these little guys, and I forget what these are called. They're like the little, I forget the little things, but they just screw right into the top. I watched countless videos on this on YouTube before I even did anything. So I'm just screwing it into the top, and let's be real, this looks like a controller now. And then you have your little things that apparently I think they go out like this. So whenever I'm holding it, I'm gonna have my phone in it here. My phone is gonna be the screen, and then I'm gonna be controlling it like this. So I'm quite nervous. I'm like almost scared to take it out. I shouldn't be though. I'm actually really excited. So it does have an LCD screen here, and you can kind of see, I'll pop it on for a second just to show the battery. But you see, like, it shows there's, 57% on the battery right now. And then it comes in this handy dandy little carrying case, which I really like. It's just really plain. It doesn't have like a name or anything on it. It's just a hard case. And it's kind of got some red hints inside, but it feels pretty sturdy. It comes with this and this, and this also came with my package from Amazon. So I really, really like this. I'm gonna try and start charging the batteries right now and do all that good stuff. And then this video could end up being pretty long. I'm unsure if I want to make it go over the course of a couple weeks, or if I want to kind of end it with just showing you guys this. We'll just go from there. So thanks for watching. Hey guys, so I'm out here in my backyard right now. I'm gonna kind of mess around with the drone a little bit just to kind of see if I can mess with the setting. I'm not super confident in like manual mode or anything yet, so that's I think what I'm gonna try and mess around with today. I thought I would film myself kind of like bringing it up in the air because I didn't on its maiden voyage yesterday. I had forgot my tripod at the house when we went down. We actually filmed at our church, so I'm going to go ahead and power this on and get it hovering and just mess around with it. I am in a residential neighborhood. I mean, I'm in my backyard, and you're not supposed to be filming in places like that, so I'm just not going to hover it very high and just get our backyard for right now. So, okay, so we're connected, and I'm going to try and hover it up and hover over the pool for a bit. Let's see what happens. I don't know if that got that, but that was really cool. It was just some more practice, I guess.